A database management system, DBMS, can support various data models, including hierarchical, network, and relational models. It's not limited to a specific structure. A relational database management system, RDBMS, specifically deals with relational data models. Data is organized into tables with rows and columns, and relationships between tables are established using keys. In a DBMS, data integrity is primarily the responsibility of the application developer. The DBMS may provide some basic integrity constraints, but it's mostly up to the developer to enforce them. On the other hand, an RDBMS enforces data integrity through various constraints like primary keys, foreign keys, unique constraints, etc. It ensures that the data remains consistent and accurate. A DBMS may or may not have a standard query language. SQL, structured query language, is commonly used, but it's not mandatory. In contrast, an RDBMS typically uses SQL as the standard query language to interact with the database. SQL is specifically designed for relational databases and is integral to their operation. While normalization is possible in a DBMS, it's not a core feature or requirement. On the other hand, an RDBMS encourages normalization to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. It follows specific normal forms, for example, 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, to structure the database optimally. A DBMS may not be as optimized for handling large volumes of data efficiently. It might lack some performance optimization specific to relational databases. In contrast, an RDBMS is often designed with optimizations for handling large volumes of relational data efficiently. It can scale to support enterprise-level applications with millions of records.